Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Run DLL or Run DLL32 and you may just be wondering what is this, and it's normally a zip file unless it's some sort of malicious C, but in the most cases is a legitimate Windows file, and this is responsible for executing functions defined in DLL files, which stands for Dynamic Link Library. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear all your browser cache. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser. And dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung tatlong dot. And next step, so scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung settings. And dito sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so dito sa privacy and security, so makikita mo dito yung delete browsing data. So i-click mo lang yan. And pop up tong delete browsing data. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung basic. And dito sa time range ay may mga option dito na pwede mong i-select, like last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and then i-click mo lang dito yung all the time. So click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select or check mo lang tong browsing history. So uncheck natin tong isa. And then ito yung cache images and files. Okay? So ito yung kailangan mong i-check, browsing history, and then yung cache images and files. And then next step, so dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung delete data. So i-click mo lang yan and wait natin. Alright, so after dito, and then next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong settings. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsym /online /cleanup-image /restore health, and then copy lang natin yan. And next step, so dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung edit. And then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. So click mo lang yan and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na deployment, image and servicings and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat. And then yung /scan now ay one word yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. Okay, so ang next step, so dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. I-click mo lang tong restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Run DLL error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.